Hello and thank you for joining us at Easy Cooking again. You want to give a smile, Lily? We're making our favorite after all. Today we're going to make a treat that was requested by Lily. We're going to make a birthday cake donut hole. Hey baby! Natalie can't wait because she's starving. It's a very simple donut hole recipe. It's only 3 ingredients. Well, 4 ingredients if you have to count the sprinkles we're going to put in. So let's see what we need before we get started. But first, make sure your oil is started and warming up because you want it nice and hot before you start dropping your donut holes in there. Second, the full recipe is in description, so make sure to scroll down and read the recipe, and feel free at the end to subscribe, put pictures, and let us know how you enjoy our recipes. Yeah. That's it? No? Nothing? Yeah? Okay. Okay, Lily, you want to get started with my chef?
Yeah!
Alright, let's see what we need.
Flour, vanilla yogurt, baking powder,
And of course, our fourth ingredient, what is this, Lily?
sprinkles,
Of course. And then for the glaze, we are going to need...
powder,
Powder what?
powdered sugar,
Melted butter.
melted butter, milk, vanilla, confetti sprinkles.
Chef Lily, tell me, what do we need to put in our bowl to get started with our donut holes? Remember, only 3 ingredients, but if we count our sprinkles, 4 ingredients. What do you want to start with?
What do we need first?
Let's do your yogurt. I'll give you the spoon. Okay, scoop it out with the spoon.
Okay.
No, you can do this. And then scoop it out that way. Yep. There you go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, I'll help you. I will help you. There, like that. Nice and easy with our vanilla yogurt. Vanilla yogurt makes for that much better donut hole. Okay, what's next, Lily? We're gonna do some baking powder. Thanks, chef.
We have to stir it.
Yep. You wanna do? I'll do the flour. How about
No,
that?
I want to.
I'll pour it in. You can stir it. There you go. Okay. Gentle. You don't want to spray flour anywhere. You want me to do it? You got it. I'll do it.
Are we making dough?
Wait, we forgot the most important ingredient.
What? Can I put in?
Sure. Don't go crazy. How's that? Some extra sprinkles?
Yeah, I'm gonna put that confetti.
No, confetti is gonna go on the glaze. We're gonna do half regular glaze and half confetti glaze. Super easy, super quick.
Are we making dough? Making dough with sprinkles in it.
Yeah. You know what? I think we may need a little more yogurt in this dough. I'm not sure. You know what? Let me use my hand. No, it's actually pretty wet. I just need to use my hand.
Can I try? Can I do it?
Let me just get my hands dirty.
Oh, why?
Oh, we may need some more yogurt.
I want to do it with my hand. Oh, you can do yogurt. Can I do it with my hand?
I got it, baby. I got it. I got it, Chef Lily.
That's not fair.
It's not fair. You know what? It's just fine.
No, it's not fine.
Okay, now this is
touch
our...
it. Can I touch it?
Sure, you can touch it.
What kind of dough is it?
That's donut dough.
It feels like Play-Doh.
I know. Okay, we'll make our ball. I believe our oil is nice and hot. So, we're gonna start cooking. We'll go over here now. Chef Lily.
Daddy, I want to do that too. Wait for me, wait for me. Daddy!
Sure, I'll wait for you, no problem.
Can I get one bowl?
Sure, you make a bowl too.
Why did it not add us? We need to add us. There, let's do it.
Okay, Lily, make me a donut hole, honey. Oh boy, you know what? I may have to turn the heat down a little. There. You're cooking too fast.
Daddy, can we put this in?
Thank you, Lily. Hey, we need our spoon. Okay, let's see. This one is done. These are done. Alright. Alright, yeah, you don't want to drop them from too high, otherwise you're going to spray yourself with hot oil. There you go. Alright, we're done. That was nice and easy, literally 5 minutes, you guys. Awesome. Lily, let's go over here. You're gonna bring your stool and we'll glaze your donuts. Come.
I want glaze. I want glaze donuts.
Alright.
Can I help you, Glaze?
Of course. No, oops. Let me move the oil.
Glaze. Can I make glaze? Is this?
Alright, yes. Okay, so let's make our glaze. Here we go, Lily. You want to dump the melted butter in there. Okay, do our milk. Awesome sauce. Here. Be gentle.
Can you do it?
Sure.
So I will do it right.
Oh, you do it just fine, honey. Oh, we almost forgot the vanilla. Let me do that real quick. Half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Now, do we put the confetti in here?
Let's make half of them plain and half of them with confetti. Sound good?
Okay. Well, I want all of them confetti.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll make all of them confetti then. Because you know what? Because we can make more.
Make sure you put glaze on the tiniest.
What color confetti do you want? Purple? Your favorite?
Yeah, I want all kinds of confetti.
Okay, let's do some purple.
And then
Pink.
Pink.
Let's do some pink.
And then
Orange.
The orange.
Let's do some orange and then red.
Is that all the colors?
Yeah. Well, it's not all the colors, but we're out 2 colors, now 3 colors at this point. Whoa, look at this. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start putting donut holes in there.
No, wait for me to put them in. I'll put my baby one in.
Okay, it's about half. Let's give us some room. Let Daddy do that, honey. Let Daddy do that. Okay. Man, those are going to be the best donut holes ever. What do you think?
Good donut hole.
Mm-hmm.
They'll be yummy donuts.
And you guys, just so you know, you can make double batch, triple batch, depending on how many people you want to make donut holes for. I'm just making it for the 4 of us, so we really don't need a whole lot. We don't need to make bigs of ourselves.
Glaze is dripping down.
It's just the glaze, honey.
It's great. Are you
Yeah.
getting my baby one?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it?
I'll get it, don't worry. It's in there, I can see it. Ah. Put these 2 here. Let's get these 2. Let's get that one.
What about baby?
I think your baby's this one. I'll put your baby actually over here because otherwise it will just fall in the pan. Okay, let's coat the rest.
Wait, no, I want to put all of them in. I'm putting them in, you stir it.
Sure, baby. All right.
Can I try one when it's done? We
Yeah,
have
give
to
them just a
warm
second.
it up.
No, you don't need to warm it up. You mean let it cool?
No, like the glaze has to get hard.
Oh, well, yeah, let it cool. I mean, technically speaking, but we'll try them immediately because we're piggies, right? Okay, these are glazed. Awesome. Let's get these out. Should we call your CC?
Nelly, they are ready.
Natalie, you want to come try some donut holes, honey?
That's dripping glaze.
That is dripping glaze. Oh boy. Natalie! We got donut holes. You go with mama. Go with mama.
Ooh, those look so good.
Go with mama.
They look like such real beautiful birthday cake donut holes.
Next time we may double the batch. You can try them over here with me, honey. No, stay over here. We can eat them right over here. Stay over here.
Serve us some, Daddy-o.
And these are our donut holes. Nice and glazed and they're ready to eat. And Lily can't wait. We're going to give some to Natalie.
My baby one.
Some didn't quite turn out perfect shape, but I don't care because we're making them for home. If you really want to focus on the shape, that's up to you.
Daddy.
Natalie doesn't care, do you, baby? You want a donut hole? Yeah. Give me your plate.
I do.
All right, let's try them. Lily, you can just grab one.
No, I want to get my hand dirty.
Oh, you don't want to get your hand dirty?
I want to grab.
Well, I'm going to have one. Oh my goodness. Soft and gooey.
Yummy.
And they have the color, of course, from made birthday cake. Mama, you want to try one?
I do.
Oh, those are good. We're just going to eat them all tonight and then I used to make more tomorrow.
Good job, Dad.
I mean, the colors in there, the sprinkles melted very nice. And just delish. Nice vanilla yogurt.
Tastes like
Donut
fair.
holes.
Tastes like fair.
It tastes just like fair. They're perfect. They're super easy. It took us, what, 10 minutes? 10 minutes total time, even with the prep. This is awesome. I'm gonna have one more. Well, you guys, try them out. Let me know how you like them. These are super good. The kids love them. And make sure to subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more good recipes coming up. Sweet and savory. Enjoy your night.